Here we have two types of scallion. We have St. Andrew scallion and we have the regular scallion. We have some thyme, sweet pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, purple onion, white onion. We have some garlics. We have pimento, some pimento berries. And today we are making homemade jerk season. Blessings, blessings, blessing everyone. Welcome back to another video with KK Thompson. What a guan! Yes, so we are in the kitchen again, and today I am making jerk seasoning, homemade jerk seasoning, as I said before. And so I'm going to get right into it. I am going to clean up the seasoning and wash, chop. So stay tuned as you watch the procedure as I go along. And I just want to say welcome back to all my subscribers and viewers. And those that are not yet subscribed, you can do well by subscribing to this channel so you can see more authentic Jamaican cooking. Here we have our chopped seasoning ready to blend. So to this blend, we will use oil to blend. So I will blend off and then blend the other off, or you can blend off and then put some more oil in and continue the blending with the other off. Okay, so you can do it in 2 batches or you can just do 1. To this mixture I am going to put some jerk seasoning in, powdered jerk seasoning. Only powdered jerk seasoning will go in this blend, okay, because we are making a jerk blend. You can use the other seasoning that you want to put afterwards on your meat, but we are just using the jerk powdered seasoning. So you would put in your cup of oil and you will blend. Some persons use water. It is okay either way, but I use the oil. So you put in 1 cup and you will blend half, and then you will put in the remaining half and you will continue the blending. And here we have our jerk seasoning. So this is an all-purpose seasoning. You can use it on your meat, any type of meat you want to season. This seasoning is good enough. So you will use this, and then you will use the other seasonings that you have. So from my kitchen to yours, here is my homemade jerk seasoning. Do well to try and leave a comment and let me know in the comment section if you have tried it and what you think about it. I'll see you in another video. Take care.